In Neocrm, all SFA and PRM capabilities are built on top of our platform as a service named Neo Platform, which provides security, configurability, extensibility, and scalability for our SaaS applications. In Neo Platform, we offer comprehensive permission control. First, each user is assigned with a user profile, which contains a set of functional permissions. A functional permission indicates whether a user can perform certain system functions. On top of that, each profile is also granted with field-level permissions. In addition, each user also has record-level permission controls. Let's navigate to an opportunity and see how it works. When a user creates an opportunity, she is the opportunity owner who has full access to the opportunity, and then she can add more team members to the opportunity and grant them read or write access. A user with transfer owner functional permission can transfer the owner to another user, which usually happens when there's an organization change. On top of that, admin users can set up sharing rules so that a set of objects can be shared to a set of users. For example, I have already created a sharing rule that shares some products to channel users. In addition, admin users can specify whether users have access to the data owned by or shared with their subordinates in the departmental hierarchy. Last but not least, all territory members in a territory can have certain access to the resources assigned to that territory. For example, an inside sales member has full access to accounts in the territory, but may only have read-only access to opportunities in the same territory. Admin users can also specify whether territory members have access to the data owned by or shared with their subordinates in the territory hierarchy. On Neocrm, users can build approval processes for all standard and custom objects. Now I'm going to show how we build the quote discount approval process. This process is associated with business object quote so that it can only be triggered when a quote is created with discount amount over 50%. Then I set up process steps and post-approval events. In the process steps, I configure who will be in the approval process and what happens upon approval or rejection. In a post-approval event, I can configure a notification to be sent, a script to be executed, a text message to be sent, or a related objects to be updated upon final approval or rejection. On Neo Platform, customers or ISVs can create, assemble, and package their own apps. Let's say our sales team wants to have a month-long sales hackathon event competing over who can advance the opportunity the fastest using the latest Neo CRM apps and new sales tactics. IT then has configured a sales hackathon app. The app can contain a homepage, its own menu based on standard or custom objects, custom pages, BI dashboards, or charts. IT developers can use out-of-box UI components or craft a few custom components using UI components and open APIs and place that on the homepage. What I did on the screen here is to add a new survey custom object that can be filled up at the end of the hackathon. Now I will add a new picklist field named How do you rate the sales hackathon experience? Picklist values are 1 star to 5 stars. I grant field level access to all user profiles. I navigate to App Management and add Survey into the menu of App Sales Hackathon. In Neocrm, I can package everything into an app and release the app through Neo Platform. Now I go back to the application, open the App Launcher, and search for Survey. Here I can create a new survey instance. I select 5 stars for the question, how do you rate the sales hackathon experience? I can customize the list to add a question to the list. I can even go ahead to build a BI report out of the survey results. As you can see, with mostly no code, Neo Platform allows more apps with rich contents to be built in less time, thus improving the business agility.